Sometimes I wonder if there's a play where it is okay for a man to cry. I mean, you can cry anywhere, but that's not what I'm trying to say. I'm fucked up again. And it feels like it's all over again. Feels like I'm hitting rock bottom again. I can't look at myself in the mirrors anymore, 'cause I don't like what I see. Despite the fact that I made this podcast to help people get through their hard time and improve themselves, but I can't help myself. I can't even help myself. Then how am I gonna do that? I'm a fucked up myself, and it just feels like I'm hitting the dead end, and there's no way out. And time keep on going by, and I'm getting older and older, days by days. You know, it's been almost 3 years, and it's felt like it was last week when I graduated college. Almost 3 years passed by, and it felt like last week. That's how shitty my life had been for the past 3 years. Just working non-stop. Just work, sleep, eat. Work, sleep, eat. Eat, sleep, work, eat. Just those things, and only those things. And of course, nothing that I can remember other than those things. So nothing changed over the past 3 years. And I try to work hard. I try to do 70, 80 hours a week, but still nothing changed, because I never change. Even today, I'm still the same person as I was 3 years ago. And yet, I am in denial, refusing to give up this version of me. And it's hard to do the things that I've never done. And here I am again today. I really want to fucking cry. Just sit in the car and cry. You know that feeling? It's like in the back of your bone, like you're in the back of your head. It feel like that tingling when you're about to cry, but you're holding back. Yeah, that's That's what I've been feeling right now. I feel like tear is trying to pour it out of my eyes, and I'm holding it back because, you know, I'm a guy and I'm an adult now. I'm supposed to got my shit together. I'm supposed to have my shit together. I'm supposed to have a good job. I'm supposed to have a good career. Make good money. Have my own place. Cooking my own food. And having friends. And a girlfriend. But I have none of those things. And it feels fucking suck. It feels like I'm just a black sheep in the middle of all these people. I'm just that ugly black sheep. And yeah, and I keep on thinking that I'm somewhat kind of special, but I'm not. That's just an excuse for me to be doing the dumb shit that I do. Keep making the same mistake over and over again. And yet, I'm trying to help people. The people that walking in the dark. The people that were stuck like me. And yet, I don't know how to get out of it. I don't know how to get out of this rug that I got myself in. And funny, I'm sitting here trying to tell people how to live their life. I'm looking at myself in the reflection from my phone, and I really don't like what I see. It feels bitter. It's really a suck. But I don't have anyone to talk to or to share this with. Maybe this is what I'm doing right now is somewhat helping me, you know. Letting these thoughts out of my head, cause fucking suck. Just hold these things in, to hold this mistake, the regrets, the things that I should have done differently, to just keep them inside, and it's fucking suck. feels like all I want to do now is just to hit that fucking gas station and buy some booze. Or maybe hit that edible place and buy some edible. You know, just get high or some shit just to numb this pain that I'm having right now. You know, do whatever it takes to numb this pain. Or maybe go home and jerk off. Yeah, I know, it's fucking pathetic. And, you know, I just can't help it. And every day I'm getting older and older. And, you know, am I just gonna keep being like this? Am I just gonna using those quick dopamine hits to numb the pain that I'm having in right now? Yeah. Those things feels good in the moment. But afterward, it fuck you up even more. I know. I've been there fucking millions of times already. Alcohols feel good in the moment, in the moment, but then the day after, I'll get even more miserable. Jerking off feels good for 10, 20 minutes, and once you're done, it's fucking suck. It's make you feel worse about yourself. It's make you wanna just fucking give up and just lay in bed and do nothing, or even just jump out of the window. All I'm saying is that these temporary things will help me in the moment, but it would just make things worse. And I don't want to go there again. I don't want to drink those booze. I don't want that glass of wine. I don't want that shot of liquors. And I don't want to go to Pornhub again. And most importantly, I don't want to be here again. So please, I'm not a religious person, but if you're out there, please help me. The universe, whatever out there, please show me the way, because I'm lost. Why am I keep doing this? Why am I keep getting myself here? I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. But you know what? I'm gonna go home and pick up the guitar and learn it. And learn how to play it. Even just one chord tonight. Just one chord tonight. That's all I want it to do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do tonight. You know, if you made it here this far and listened to this, I don't think anyone will ever be listening to this, but you know, if there ever be one, even just one person listening to this, you know, I hope you are the best in life, and you're the real one. It really is. Because who the fuck would listen to me talking shit like this? It's funny. Thank you, and I hope you have